How to set up your Scout profile. Are you stressing issue to set up your Scout profile? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To set up your Scout profile, first of all, open Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the Scout app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply tap on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Just simply tap on your profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you can see this option for edit profile. Tap on it. After you click on it, here you can add your profile photo. Make sure it's clear and friendly. Then fill in your name, age, and gender, location. Scroll down to add a short bio that describes your personality or interest, something that helps others to get to know you better. You can also link your Instagram or Snapchat and update interests like music, hobbies, or what you are looking for a scout. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna set up your profile on the Scout. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.